Greetings. I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions. Our company has been operating on the European market since 2018 and we have achieved a lot in that time. Over the years we have had many successful projects, many things have been realized. But our biggest pride is our client list, which is more than 60 leading companies on the European market. And we really appreciate the trust placed in us. We strive to do our best to make our cooperation even more fruitful. And the most important indicator that we are on the right track is the feedback from our customers. We're very grateful to Frank Pfister, CEO of CBS Engineering GmbH. Daniel Ilge, Head of Technology and Product Management at Waldrich Coburg GmbH. Lukas Jochimek, Technical Manager of Schauenburg Maschinen- und Anlagenbau GmbH. Lys Wilkening, Team Leader of Design Department at Feist Anlagenbau GmbH. Thomas Wiedemeyer, CEO of ETT Verpackungstechnik GmbH. Sebastian Schülke, Managing Director at Sikon GmbH. And Dr. Thomas Bauer, Chief Operating Officer and member of the Board of Dienes Apparatebau GmbH, for their invaluable contribution to the development and improvement of GFE Solutions. Please read the full text of their interview on our website at the attached link. And we will be just as happy to provide you with our services.